Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are getting ready to finish up all of our forms for our bulkhead wall project in North Kansas City. Just to give you a quick overview of this job, you see the existing footings right here. A little over a year ago, another company had begun getting some cinder block walls made up. Down here you can see portions of the remaining one right here, but they ended up just up and leaving on the job, but they had undercut a lot underneath the footings here, so that caused the footings to sink. So our job was to not only get those footings back up to level, but to also do a concrete bulkhead wall to really make sure everything was structurally sound down here. So we are very close to having that completed. We have our forms just about finished up, all our rebar in place. So here within the next day or so, we are looking to get concrete out here. We will likely have our opening here in the corner. We'll buggy it and just vibrate the concrete along both sides inside the forms. And then once that's done, we'll get the forms taken off. Any kind of finish work will be done as needed on the concrete, just to make sure everything's looking as nice and neat as we can possibly make it. And then before we finish up, we'll make sure that the existing joists here are properly level. So we are very close to completion out here in North Kansas City. Again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, again, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. You can go to our website, contact us there, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.